Good day, everyone. I am Alanis Rodasa, and my partner is Christine May Capellanes. And today we will talk about sales and marketing activities. So, what is marketing and sales activities? A marketing activity is a method of an employee follows to effectively promote a business to increase its brand awareness, boost sales, or build relationship with customers. Sales focuses on closing deals and generating revenue. So, ang sales marketing activities is or a sales activities is um sales is talking about your opportunities, and while marketing is talking about your prospects like our pain or our struggles. So there are four types of sales activities. So first is cold calling, second is production demonstration, third is sales presentation, fourth is follow up. So cold calling DIS reaching out to potential lead via phone, calls, or emails to introduce your product or services and assesses their interest. So ang cold calling DIS you need to they need convince through phone based no it refers to ang ilang pagbaligya sa ilang product is using phone based ra. And second is product demonstration. So product demonstration, offering live or virtual demonstration to showcase the features and benefits of your product to potential customers. So like advertisement, ginabaligyan nila ang ilang product through gidemo nila or gipaagi nila like sa TV. Baron gagiunsa nila pag present ang ilang product or gibaligya ilang product. So the third one is sales presentation. This one is delivering persuasive presentation to potential clients that highlight how your product or service can solve their specific needs or problem. So, ang sales presentation man siyang step in a sales process where professionals demonstrate their product. Example is product demonstrations like a salesperson is showcase on how product works, highlighting its featured, and an electronic salesperson might demonstrated the benefits capabilities of new smartphone. Mao na ang ilang present. So last one is follow up. Follow up post sales activities such as sending thank you notes, ensuring customer satisfaction, and socializing referrals or repeat business. So ang pa-follow up dai mao ni siya action to engage um with potential existing customers. Example is phone calls. Ang follow up is they always follow up their like lahang ang distribute nila permi nila like gisendan nila og kanang kumusta like nana ba na or phone calls example ani salesperson on telemark may follow up with a potential customer through phone call so kamusta nila using phone call ra mao ni ang tawag na follow up.
So, una is social media marketing. So, creating and maintaining a presence of platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with customers, share content, and promote products or services. So sa panahon karon like lahi na ang pamaagi tungod sa mga high-tech gani nga putang like lahi na gid ang dagan sa atong economy especially in social media. Example, na kay gustong products nga ipahibaw sa uban. So, unsaon man nimo pagkahibaw sa uban so dili na ka problema kay pwede ra kayo nimo ipahibaw through Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter or more like sa atong generation karon nga mag-live mostly sa TikTok or Facebook. And next is content creation. Developing blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and podcasts to inform and educate the target about the industry-related topics and directly promoting the brand. So, content creation. Naghimo ka blog posts, articles, or pwede rin sa infographics nga video. Then, ang pinaka-pointed ani nga ri is ang target nimo sa mga tao nga related sa topic, which is gidirect nimo ang imong products nga gi-promote. So, next is trade show. Trade shows and events. Participating industry-specific trade shows or hosting events to showcase products or networks with potential customer. So, there is a trade show. Usap po ni siya ka you are an event, so pwede ka mag-set up og trade show like pa-welcome nga ma-fit sa usa ka product, like imong gi-display ngadto, then gi-share sab nimo nga matan-aw og unsa ka quality ug unsa ka expensive ang kana nga brand or product nga depende sa imong pagdiskarte sa usa ka tawo. So next is influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in your industry to promote your products or services to their followers. So, like sa mga nakita nato ron sa TikTok, like sikat kaayo nga mga influencer na naa sila gi-promote nga product gani. Like sa maaton ng mga nila Rosemar, nga na sila gi-promote nga rejuvenating or katong mga pampaputi gani siya. Then nga product nga to their followers para daghay mo pamain or mga. There are 5 sales and marketing activities, which is product, price, people, promotion, and place. First is product. So the product of service element refers to what you are offering as a whole to your customers. Product decision included functionally branding, packaging, service, quality, appearance, and warranty terms. So, when you talk about product service, when thinking about your product, dapat na siya features or benefits. For example, usa ka food manufacturer. So, you may decide nga what unsay flavors o unsay nutrition facts ana nga maka-benefits gani ana ang product.
So price, the way you set prices for your products or service, it should include all the parts that make your overall cost, including the advertised price, any discount, sales, credit terms, or other payment arrangement. So ang price di ay mao ni siya ang how much did you price your product, pila imong baligya sa imong product, o pila ang overall total sa imong nagasto.
So next is promotion. Refers to all the activities and the methods you use to promote your products, service to your target market. It includes sales, public relations, direct marketing and advertising, sponsorship, and social media. So, the best example is live selling ka sa usa ka item, like imong i-post sa social media. Example is, have you heard about Rosemar Rejuvenating? Like, para mahalin, unsay gibuhat ni Rosemar. So, ang gibuhat ni Rosemar is iyang gi-promote ang iyang product through social media. How to promote? Like, example, nag-use siya Rosemar Rejuvenating, like iya yung gipakita sa iyang mga followers nga giunsa nga kani nga product nga murag dili gyud siya kamahayan gani nga murag sample sa una imong naong kay kuan ka ng daghang bugas, daghang dark marks, daghang pimples. So ang gibuhat ni Rosemar is iya yung gipakita para murag ang iyang products nga makuan gyud siya nga dili gyud angay kamahayan yung products kay maski siya nakabalo sa iyang products nga effective gid kayo siya nga maka kuan gid sa tawo nga maka dili gid siya ang ikamahayan.
Place. The place element refers to how you get your product or service to your customer at the right time, at the right place, and the right quantity. It includes distribution channels, locating logistics, service levels, and market coverage. Some place, where did you distribute your product or possession of your product or asa ka prefer nga place para sa imong product nga asa nimo siya dapat ibaligya.
And lastly is people. So, the people element refers to your customer, yourself, and your staff. You need to consider both of your staff and customer if you're thinking of growing your business. So, example, namaligya ka sa usa ka tawo like imo siyang gibalagyaan. So, sim so syempre maging ipakita sa tao nga kanang iyang mga pangutana gani nga dapat di ka magpakuan nga di ka magpa dapat abti kay ka kung na sila pangutana about sa imong products para makakuan sila ba para ilang na sila feedback nga ikahatag nimo like nice kay lang feedback like example packaging diha pa lang sa packaging daan dapat nindot na kay man sila ay nindot na kay ning iyang packaging kay murag sa packaging pa lang daan murag attractive na kayo. Then ang pinaka main gid nato diri sa people is ang satisfaction gani sa tao like nga masatisfied jud sila ba like sus kaning product ni Christine is murag nindot na kay nga product sa packaging pa lang daan nindot na kaayo how much more kung ato ni siyang gamiton nga murag ma satisfied gani ang usa ka tawo sa usa ka product